This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Weber. Discover the epitome of tranquility on Merritt Island with this exquisite home nestled on over an acre of pristine land. Boasting 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, alongside a detached garage/workshop, this property offers the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Step into a meticulously maintained interior with an open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the living spaces. Outside, a stunning screened pool awaits, providing an idyllic spot for relaxation. With no hole restrictions, there's ample space for all your recreational vehicles and equipment. Situated in central Merritt Island, this location offers convenient access to everything the Space Coast has to offer. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own your own slice of paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Weber at 321-288-6362.